That little middle boy with the black nose already. He's a cute. They're all very. Oh, that was like, these are gorgeous puppies. And she says, I've never seen puppies so big. I said, no, either have I. I said, I can honestly say I've never had a puppy born this big. They're only about 16 ounces. Yeah. And anywhere from like 14 to 16, 14 to 17 is about average for a shepherd. I had a girl here, Chance's mother actually, when she was born, she was 16 ounces soaking wet. And she was premature. She was 3 days late. She was 3 days behind the other puppies. Like, they all got bred on this day, and she got conceived like 2 or 3 days later. She was smaller. She didn't have a suckle reflex. I mean, she actually was premature. She wasn't just a run. She was a couple of days behind in development. And I had to tube feed her for the first day, and then get her to a bottle for the second day, and then get her to her mommy. And she was so feisty that you put her in there, and all the puppies